iPhone offline music app tutorial.
If you want to learn how to make content effortlessly, scan the QR code, check out the video description, or click the link down below and subscribe to the channel if you find value.
Open up and locate the App Store, and then under the search bar, click GR Music. Once loaded, scroll down and click the second option, Player GR Music Unlimited. You may or may not have to sign in with your account details, but once you have done that, wait for this to download and then click Open. You can choose for the app to track or not. I'm going to click the first option to not track. Now, once the app has been downloaded, you have a list of options. You can import songs from Dropbox, Box, Drive, Cloud, Transfer, Files, etc. You have the file, you have the library option right here. You have the search option, a list where you can create playlists. You have your favorites, recents. You even have your settings. Under the search, you can even see what is currently trending within the search. Click one of the songs or videos that you would like to add. Scroll down and you can click the three options and you can add to favorites, or you can even create a playlist. Now when you go under to list, you click favorites. I'm going to clear this app and I'm going to go offline, or I'm going to click the airplane icon to see if this truly works. Okay, open up Player GR app one more time and go back to list and click favorites or your playlist. And as you can see, now you're currently playing music or MP3 from iPhone offline using a free music app.
Again, if you want to save hundreds of hours of money per year editing content, then check out the video description, scan the QR code, or click the link down below. And thanks for watching this tutorial.